Welcome back to Equals TV, Algebra on the Go. So, ang pag-uusapan po natin for today is quadratic equation solution by quadratic formula, grade 9 math. So, meron pong mga quadratic equation that cannot be solved ng solution by factoring. So, ang tawag po dito ay non-factorable. So, pwede po natin i-apply ang solution by quadratic formula kung ang given quadratic equation is non-factorable. Okay. So this is the quadratic formula. So we have x is equals to negative b, positive negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So ito pong quadratic formula, i-apply po natin dito sa example number 1 po ito. Okay. So example number 1, 2x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay? So, i-assume po natin itong 2x squared, letter A, then itong 2x, letter B, then 5, letter C. Then, i-substitute po natin yung mga value ng A, B, C dito po sa quadratic formula. So, equals, okay. So, negative B, so we have B, 2, so we have negative 2. Then, positive, negative, then square root, then b squared, so b is 2, so 2 squared, then copy the negative sign, then 4, then times the quantity a, so a we have 2, times c, so c is 5. Over 2 times a, so a is 2. Then equals, so negative 2, then positive, negative, then square root of 2 times 2, that is 4, then minus 4 times 2, that is 8 times 5, that is 40. Over 2 times 2, that is 4. Then equals, so negative 2, positive, negative, square root of, so 4 minus 40, that is negative 36 over 4. Then, continue po natin dito sa taas. So, equals, so we have negative 2, then positive, negative, then square root of negative 36. So, perfect square po itong 36. Okay? So, pwede po natin kunin ang square root ng 36. Okay? So, kaya lang po, may negative po yan. So, ganito po ang magiging arrangement dito sa labas. So, we have, kunin po natin ang square root ng 36. So, perfect square po yan, no? 6 times 6. So, we have 6. Then, magkakaroon po tayo sa tabi niya ng letter I. Okay? So, bakit kailangan magkaroon ng letter I dito? Kasi po, yung 36, galing po siya sa square root na negative. O I mean, square root of negative 36. Okay? So, para maging positive, yung 6 po, no, na factors ng 36 na kinuha po natin sa loob ng square root, okay, kailangan po nating lagyan ng letter I para pagdating po dito sa labas ng radical sign, maging positive 6 po siya. Okay, then over 4. Then equals. So, pwede po nating i-factor ito. O I mean, kunin po yung common factor. So, pwede po itong common factor, yung 2. So, ilabas po natin dito, 2. Then, times the quantity. So, negative 2 divided by 2. So, negative 1. Okay, so pag multiply po natin ito, 2 times negative 1, so we have negative 2. Then, positive, negative, then Yung 6, divided by 2, so we have 3. Then, copy the letter I. Then, over 4. So, equals. So, pwede po natin i-cancel to, 2 and 4. So, magiging 2 na lang po yan dito. So, we have negative 1. Then, positive, negative, 3i over 2. Okay, so pwede na po nating kunin yung x of 1 dito. So, mayroon na po tayong makukuha value. Okay. So, we have x of 1. Okay. So, equals, so negative 1 okay, over 2. Then, gamitin po natin yung positive. Unahin po natin, then plus. So, we have 3 over 2. Then, copy the letter I. Okay. So, ito pong negative. Sa taas ng 1, ilalagay po natin yan sa gitna. So, dito po. Okay. So, x of 1 is equals to negative 1 half plus 3 over 2i. Opo. So, ang ibig sabihin po ng I is imaginary number. Okay. So, x of 2 po natin. Dito po natin kunin. Then, equals. So, we have negative 1. Negative 1 over 2. Then, gamitin po natin yung negative sign. Then, 3 over 2. Then, I. Okay. So, solution is equals to, so, x of 1 natin. So, we have negative 1 half plus 3 over 2 I. Then, negative 1 half minus 3 over 2 I. Okay. Okay. So, this is the roots obtained in the given quadratic equation. Okay. So, example number 2. So, we have 4x squared minus 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. Okay. So, assume po natin yung 4x squared, letter A. Then, negative 2x, letter B. And negative 7, letter C. Then, substitute po natin dito sa quadratic formula. Equals. So, negative B. So, negative. Then, negative B. So, we have negative 2. Okay, so, sasama po natin yung sign na negative. So, we have negative 2. Value of B. Okay, so, negative 2. Then, positive, negative. Then, square root of B squared. So, we have B squared, negative 2. Squared. Then, copy the negative sign. Then, 4. Then, times A. So, A, we have 4. Then, times C. So, C is negative 7. So, equals. Okay, so negative times negative 2. So, we have positive 2. Then, positive, negative. I'm sorry. Okay, so over muna tayo. So, we have 2 times A. So, A is 4. Then, equals. Okay, so negative times negative 2. So, we have positive 2. Then, positive, negative. Then, square root of 2 times, negative 2 times negative 2. We have 4. Then, copy the minus sign. So, 4 times 4, we have 16 times negative 7. So, we have 112. Okay, so negative 112. 12 over, so 2 times 4, that is 8. So equals 2, positive, negative, then square root of 4, then negative times negative 112, that is positive 112 over 8. Then, continue po natin dito, equals, so 2, positive, negative, then square root of 4 plus 112, that is 116 over 8, then equals 2, okay, positive, negative, square root of, so kunin po natin ang factors ng 116. So, ang factors po niyan is 4 times 29 over 8. Then equals 2, positive, negative. Okay, so kunin po natin ang square root ng 4. So, we have 2. Then, square root. Ang matitira na lang po sa loob ng square root is 29 over 8. Then, equals. So, kunin po natin yung common factors. So, we have 2 na pwede po natin gamitin common factors. So, ilabas po natin dito. Then, times the quantity. So, 2 divided by 2. So, we have 1. So, 2 times 1, we have 2. Then, copy, positive and negative. Then, 2 square root of 29 divided by the common factor, 2. Okay, so makakancel po yun ng 2, no? So, matitira na lang po is square root of 29. Okay, so over 8. Then, canceled. So, matitira po dito is 4 na lang po. Then, continue po natin dito, equals. Okay, so we have 1, positive, negative, square root of 29 over 4. Okay, so pwede na po natin kunin yung x of 1. So, x of 1 is equals to 1. Then, unahin po natin yung positive plus square root of 29 over 4. Okay, so ito po yung value ng x of 1. Then, x of 2. So, equals. So, 1. Then, yung negative naman po, no? Gamitin natin. Square root of 29 over 4. Okay. So, solution is equals to quantity x of 1. We have 1 plus square root of 29 over 4. Then, x of 2. So, we have 1 minus square root of 29 over 4. Okay. So, this is the roots obtained in the given quadratic equation. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.